the heart of the wilderness, where survival is key, one tool stands above the rest. Well, at least it stands out a bit. This is the Beavercraft AX3 Woodcraft Bushcraft Splitting Hatchet.
Hey folks, today we're going to take a look at the Beavercraft AX3, the hatchet that promises to turn you from a mere mortal into a wood splitting legend, or at the very least someone who doesn't suck at splitting wood. First things first, safety. Remember, a hatchet is not a toy, even if it makes you feel like a lumberjack action figure. Look at this beauty, 14 inches of pure wood splitting power. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Here we have a log just minding its business. Let's give this bad boy a split. Boom, nailed it. Even a goofball like me can use it, and that's the magic of the Beavercraft AX3. This hatchet has a high carbon steel blade, perfect for slicing through wood like butter. It has an ergonomic ash wood handle. It's like it was made for your hand. Seriously, I've held fewer things this comfortably, including my cat. Now, let's test this versatility. Can it handle the tough stuff? Let's see how it fares against the mighty stump. All right, maybe we need to work up to the big leagues. How about some kindling instead? Made quick work of those things. This thing's perfect for campfires, perfect for survival situations, or just impressing your friends at the next barbecue or camping trip. In all seriousness, the Beavercraft AX3 is a solid piece of gear. It's lightweight, it's efficient, and it won't break the bank. Perfect for anyone from a seasoned bushcrafter to the weekend warrior. So there you have it, folks. The Beavercraft AX3 Woodcraft Bushcraft Splitting Hatchet, because every good RV adventure starts with the right tools. Until next time, keep chopping and stay safe, everybody. Lumberjack, even if it makes you feel like a lumberjack action figure. The Beavercraft AX3 The Beavercraft AX3 Woodcraft Bushcraft Splitting Hatchet.